Wow, that's gonna be so cool, babe.
Snowing again, and we are going to reveal our rammed earth column windowsills and lower wall portions. So we've got to take down the hoarding and then take off the formwork. So we've got 5 of them total across the front. We finished 2.
Yeah.
I was working late. We were working late the one night to finish these 2.
Yeah.
And we had a couple,
Working in the dark.
Yeah, working in the dark. We had a couple challenges with just temperature, weather. Should have learned as well to not push myself. I should have left.
Yeah, the top section anyway, which was going to be the most important section of this windowsill, because
So-
we're going to be able to see it.
So let's take the tarp off and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
You say sketchy as I'm standing on a
Right there. Like it can't, the can't see where it is.
Hey, one more. Well, I guess it would look better without some stuff there.
Look through. So it wasn't quite the reveal that we were expecting to do, but we're gonna get there. But looking through those pillars to the back wall looks really elegant. Do you have heat going here?
I did. But I took it off so far. Can you pull that straight up? See how it's stuck? Here, you grab this end. That's grab this end. Oh, and a screw. So if you just hold on to this here. And then I'm gonna pull it out. So you just gotta hold it and we gotta try to pull it out evenly. Because it was carrying in the snow. Okay, maybe put your foot like this. Yeah, okay. It's a little precarious.
Oh, it's coming out. I thought just that wood was coming out. Ah! This is the whole
Okay, I got it. I got it. Oh, that's the chamfer strip. Can you pull that chamfer strip off? Reach in behind that.
Whoa.
I got the board.
Okay, yeah,
You got it?
yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. See how much nicer the sill looks now? Now it's something.
Now it's something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at these little indents.
What indents? The chamfers?
Yeah, the chambers. What you just said.
Okay. Just hold that for a sec. Colors are nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chambers are out.
Is the chamfer out on that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they came right out. Okay, hold it up a little more. Okay, hold this board, like put your knee here like this. Perfect. You grab the chamfer. You already yanked there, Muscles. Come on, Muscles.
Ah!
Oh, don't whack the fill.
Look at you with this chamfer.
Can you stack the chamfers with the other chamfers like this? How many times do you want to say chamfer? Sorry, put your chamfer.
Where?
Cool.
Wow.
Okay.
That's heavy. Do you need this bottom board here?
I just leave it for now. The forms hold so much moisture in there.
Yeah.
So there you can see we've got our windowsill that protrudes in, and then our finished grade is going to come. So everything below there is going to be what we're growing in. Yeah, and the colors too, it's just crazy how much it lightens up. I guess it's not a true representation because we're not standing at finished floor height, but that's our windowsill. And it'll look about the same from outside, but this is definitely a better angle to see it as a full visual. So 4 more setups. So the next setup's going to be in this column up to here, and then this one over to here, and then we'll finish off the front windows we'll finish off the front because I have the sills made for the front, and the 2 side windows are a different size. So we'll do the front, and then we can modify the forms to fit the sides. Most likely do the side by our glass greenhouse first, and then the side by the shed last. The whole ramming process is way nicer to not be like enclosed in forms for 12 feet. Basically, after I do the first 2 feet, my head is out of the forms. My shoulders are out of the forms. So it's good. Wish it was September right now, because then we would be probably closed in.
When it's September again, we're going to be growing stuff in here.
We got to hopefully well before then.
That's what I mean.
So yeah, that's what I'm going to carry on with today, is getting the formwork set up for over here. Everything's made, so hopefully it doesn't take me 2 days. Hopefully I can finish today. We'll
Awesome.
see. Worst case tomorrow. See how the weather holds up. It's also going to make, the snow makes for a bit of extra work and cleaning, and I'm going to throw the tarps back on these back walls because we're getting warmer weather. Just to help keep any chance of getting any water damage on them.